Today we're going to mango taste the 3 mangoes that are coming off the trees here in 2022. The Pickering mango on the left, the Carrie mango in the middle, and an ice cream mango on the right. The ice cream mango, you can see when it's ripe, it's been sitting on the counter for a couple days, never really turns yellow, it stays green. It's not a very good looking mango. That doesn't mean it doesn't taste good. So I'll open the 3 of these up, and then I'm going to have 4 of my sons try them for us and tell us which one they like the best. Okay, so I've opened up all the mangoes. You can see some differences in the way they look when they're opened up, especially with that ice cream on the far right. It's a really pale flesh to it. I cut up a lot of it since there's not as much on that, since it's a small fruit. But everybody's tried a little bit of this fruit. And boys, why don't you go ahead and try another piece, and then I want to know which is the favorite. The Pickering on the left, the Carrie in the middle, or the ice cream on the right. Try each one. Okay, my taste testers have now eaten up all the pieces. As you can see, they've eaten everything I've cut, and they're going to tell us which ones they like the best. All right, starting on the left, which was your favorite?
That one.
The Carrie. Next?
The Pickering.
Pickering. Any reason why you like the Pickering?
It's firmer than this one, which I kind of like about it. And it has sort of like a coconut pineapple-y texture.
Great. Next. What do you think, little guy? Ah, the ice cream. Last. Oh, the Carrie. Okay, so we have different boys with different favorites. Indeed, the Carrie mango in the middle is the softest and sweetest, probably. The Pickering has a little bit firmer texture to it. Some people just have described it as a very sweet cantaloupe flavor. And the ice cream on the right has a little bit of a pineapple to it and is a little on the pinier side, if you know what that resiny flavor tastes like. But it's also very smooth, and we actually like to make it, enjoy making that one into a smoothie or mixing it with a key lime pie. All right, so there you have it, 3 mangoes. All of them are good. No, there's not a mango here they didn't like, and there's not a mango here that has fiber.